Hi everyone, welcome to another drawing session. In this video, I'll show you how to draw and color a beautiful natural scenery easy. So let's start. Firstly, I draw a tree in corner of the picture like this. This tree is somewhat unique. Here the branch, somewhat tall tree. Let's draw the leaves. I don't use bunch of leaves here. I draw leaves like this, few of leaves. If you like, you can use bunch of leaves also. It may be easy, but here I use few leaves like this, and this will be somewhat beautiful and enjoyable like this, and relaxing also. One by one, let's add leaves here too. And let's draw some lines like this through the tree. Here in tree branch also, not so much. In tree branch, 1 or 2 lines, and I add few lines in leaves here. All over the leaves I add like this. In these places also, don't worry about small mistakes. Drawing should be relaxing and enjoyable. Let's draw a house here like this. This house is so much easy and somewhat cute. Firstly, I use a ruler. If you like, you can use ruler also. And the door like this. And the window. This window is so much cute. And here, let's draw it together. It will be enjoyable. The sun. Many times we draw sun when we drawing landscape. Here the background details. Few bushes behind the house and behind the tree also as a line. So we finish our drawing. Let's color it. I normally use color pencils. If you like, you can use any other also. Firstly, I use purple color in lines like this, in these places also, as a deep layer to light layer, not all over the tree. Many of people use only brown color for the trees, but this is so much beautiful with color combinations. Here I use orange color somewhat, and again I use yellow color. This one also has a deep layer like this. Let's color the leaves. Here I use two colors for the leaves. Firstly, I use dark green as a deep layer in one side. If you like, you can use all over the leaves dark green, and light green also you can use for the all over the leaves. But when we use two colors, it will be beautiful after we finish. Here after that, I add yellow color as a deep layer in other side. If you like, you can use light green also for this place. And it may be somewhat unique with light blue also. Let's color the bushes behind the house and the tree. Firstly, I used dark green as a deep layer to light layer like this. After that, I add light green This one I use as a deep layer in other places in the bushes, like this. If you like, you can use dark green or light green all over the bushes. And you can use dark blue, after that dark green, after that yellow. That color combination also so much suitable for bushes. So let's color the house. First I color the roof like this with brown color. Deep layer to light layer. I save some spot also in this place also. And after that I use orange color all over the as a deep layer. After that, in this place also I use orange color as a deep layer to light layer with starting in outlines. Here with the door also, and here the window also. In other places I use as a light layer. After that I add yellow color as a deep layer all over there. This color combination also so much beautiful. If you like, you can use dark blue and light blue also suitable for these places. After that, let's color the window. The outline I use brown color as a deep layer, and here for the door also I use brown color, and I use dark blue as a deep layer. And here for the window, for the glasses I use light blue. You can use dark blue also, but light blue is so much beautiful. Here for the cloud, firstly I use dark blue, deep layer to light layer. After that, light blue as a deep layer. Let's color the sun. Firstly I use red color as a deep layer to light layer like this around the sun. After that I add orange color. This one also deep layer to light layer. As a background color I use it as a light layer. Again I add yellow color for the background. This one also as a light layer. When we use background colors as light layers, it is so much beautiful. The main characters will show clearly with light background. In this place I use firstly purple color in outline as a deep layer. After that I add brown color. This one also deep layer to light layer like this. With tree also. Here I use light layer. And I add orange color. This one also deep layer to light layer all over this place. Again I add yellow color as a deep layer all over this place. So we finish our landscape. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for being with me.